Class 10th students, how are you? I think you all are fine students. Students, as well as you know, yesterday I taught you HTML document. Okay, yesterday this topic I taught you all the things, and I tell to you, you just complete, and after that completing send the homework on Columbus application. But till now someone students are sending and someone students are not sending. Why students? Are you some have troubleness for writing this? No, na. Then why you just wait? You complete, and after that completing you will send to me. When you send to me, then I check that, and after that release. Okay, student. Yesterday what I taught to you? Yesterday I taught HTML, definition of HTML, which type of HTML program, it means language, and what the tags and what the type of tags. Students, these things I taught to you yesterday, but now a time today I want to tell you, you just see the basic of tags. Students, you just see the basic HTML tags. Those are very necessary, and by the uses of that things you made the HTML web pages. Those thing today I tell to you. Students, you just see on the screen this line. First line says, first line what says students? First line is says an HTML page must consist of 4 tags. An HTML page must consist of 4 tags. It means when you going to create a web page, on that time you must have the 4 tags. If you not use the 4 tags of these, then you not able to fulfill the HTML file. Okay, so which tag are 4 tags that are necessary to create HTML document? I show you students. You just see first tag is HTML. Students, first tag is HTML. When you going to create a HTML document, on that time it is necessary you just use first tag HTML. After that, the usage of first tag, you must be apply the second head tag. Okay, head tag. After that head tag, you just define the title, and after that title you will be define the body. Students, here I describe the 4 tags. Those are necessary for creating this thing. First tag, you just see student, the HTML tag. Students, the HTML tag informs the web browser. The HTML tags informs the web browser that the document is a web page. The document is a web page and is created by using HTML coding. Matlab, in this line it is clear, if we use HTML tag, that web browser is understand that page is a web page, and it is used by HTML coding. It is creating by using used by HTML coding. Then this document is open in a web browser. Students, second is the head tag. The head tag provides the information about the title and the style used in an HTML document. Students, in this it is clear, head tag we use to define, provide information. It means define the title and style of the HTML document. Okay, So head tag is define the title and style of the HTML document. Students, fourth line, third line is, you just see fourth line. What in this fourth line, students, in this the title tag, in this students the title tag. Student, you just see here what happened in this tag. Students, in this tag you will be see the title tag is used to assign the title of a web page. It means, suppose that you are creating your biodata in, you are creating a biodata in your web pages, and then you want to define the name of the page is your biodata. Then it is very necessary, to you use the HTML, okay, the HTML title, okay. So students, it is I think you are clear what is the title tag, what is the body tag, and what is the sorry, HTML head and title is three things is clear. Fourth one, last one is the body tag. Students, body tag you know very well. When you just create or your HTML document, on that it is very necessary term what, it is very necessary term what you just give in the HTML file, what is your matters, what is your data, what you explain it, it is all things those are necessary. So you just understand these things. Body tag displays the information in a web page which users actually see and read, which user actually see and read, by which body tag displays the information, body tag displays the information in a web page which users actually see and read. So students, here I taught you basic HTML tags. Basic HTML tag today I defined. Which is basic HTML tag? First is HTML, second is head, third is title, and fourth is body. First, title define the web browser, the document is a web page. Head is provide the information about that title, and title is used to assign the title of the web page. And the last one is body. The body tag is displays the information in a web browser. I think students it is clear to all, and you complete in the notebook. It is your homework. You just define the four tags, okay. It is your homework. 4 HTML tag you must be write on your fair notebook, and after then you send to me. Thank you. Jai Hind.